Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. If you like these videos and want more, be sure to subscribe. We're here to share content that's simple and useful. Let's get started.
Resetting your parking assist sensors after a bumper change is necessary for safety. New bumpers can block or misalign the sensors. This causes error messages or false beeps. First, check all electrical connections behind the bumper. Make sure every plug is tight and dry. Dirt or paint on the sensor face can also cause issues. Clean them with a soft microfiber cloth. If the system still fails, try a hard reset. Disconnect the negative battery terminal for 10 minutes. This clears the computer's temporary memory. Reconnect the cable and start the engine. Some vehicles require a specific driving sequence to recalibrate. Drive at a steady speed on a flat road for several miles. This helps the sensors map the surroundings. If your car has advanced tech, you might need an OBD2 scan tool. Plug the tool into the port under the dash. Select the Park Assist module and choose the Reset or Calibration option. Follow the on-screen prompts carefully. Ensure no objects are within 6 feet of the car during this process. For some luxury brands, professional calibration is the only way. They use special targets to align the ultrasonic waves. If you see a persistent warning light, a sensor might be seated incorrectly. Double-check the mounting clips inside the bumper. A slight tilt can ruin the detection angle. Test the system in a safe area with soft obstacles like cardboard boxes. This ensures the sensors detect objects correctly before you head into traffic. Proper alignment keeps your vehicle safe and prevents costly low-speed accidents. Your parking assist should now work like new again.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe.